Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to flip through all of my planner spreads for June. And since I have 6 months done with this planner, I'm also going to do a half of the year flip through also, but just flipping through and not going in depth when it comes to what I'm going to do in this video, because I do like to explain things of like my thought process behind some of these spreads. Also, I'm going to pick my favorite spread for June, and I'm going to show you all the sticker books that I used to create these spreads, just in case you want to know, and I'll have them linked down in the description, so definitely check that out. But let's go to my June section first. So the first section I'm going to share with you is something that I create as an exclusive video over my Patreon. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this together, definitely join my Patreon, the lowest tier, and you can have access to this video. Actually, I'm gonna move my phone table up a little bit more. So right here, I always like to create a little memory keeping spread in my planner. On my currently, I've been doing that every month. So over there I have January through June spreads over there. So I created this page right here, just a little snapshot of what happened in June, the really important things that happened in June. So that is my June currently page. Now we'll go into the monthly. So you can see after the pen, like how all the spreads look. So this one, you kind of see this if you watch my monthly plan with me video, you do see me write in the planner. And I think this I didn't write in on camera, but all of these boxes I fill that in. So this usually looks exactly like how I left it in that video. I just kind of put things in before the month starts, just so that way I know what I have going on before the month begins. This one was a really cute spread. I absolutely love all the Peanuts stickers that they've been coming out with recently. They're super adorable, and this summer theme one was perfect for the monthly, since it is the beginning of summer in June. So this is the book that I used. Where's the book? Okay, this one right here. Celebrate the Seasons. This one is so cute. Actually, let me check to see if it's still available, because I can't wait to use. It might not be though, because I feel like these sell out really quick. But they have fall stickers that I can't wait to use, and then also there's some winter ones too that are going to be fun to use as well. I think I already started using them. So yeah, I created this spread with some fun summer themed stickers. Okay, so I had to double check. This book isn't available anymore, but I would suggest checking each of the releases, each of the Happy Planners releases, to see if they have a Peanuts collection that they're releasing, because they've been releasing a few of these so far. I think the back to school release had, yeah, it did, because I'm going to share it in a little bit. The back to school release had a Peanut sticker book that I think is still available now. Again, if it is, I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, these are super adorable. I love the Peanuts stickers. They're becoming like one of my new favorite stickers to use. And as you can see, super adorable. So yeah, this one was fun because I actually had a lot of fun layering washi, like different washi. This cloud washi is really pretty. A lot of the washi I use in my videos are usually from Planything, so definitely check out Planything, because Amber has great washi over there. And then I probably mixed in, were these from, I can't remember if these are from, no, these were from, most of these were from the book, but I think I pulled in some from maybe Heather's, one of Heather's basic sticker books. Okay, but yeah, that's my monthly, super fun. Okay, and then of course I did another Peanut sticker book spread, and I used the washi again. I love the cloud washi, so it's kind of similar, but this is a different book. This is actually this one. This is from the back to school release, and this one is really good because it has tons of stickers. And I love that these books, like, they have different, like, look at all the different Snoopies in here. They're not repetitive, which is another reason why I love these books. So I have tons of stickers. I can make fun little scenes. This week was my nephew's promotion, so that's why I wanted like a school theme kind of spread for this week to celebrate that, because I went to see him at his promotion ceremony, and so I did a school theme for that. I felt like that was a perfect theme. So again, a lot of fun with the washi, all the Peanuts characters, really cute. Had fun with like lots of color and washi. I think I have like 3 different kinds of washi on here. trying to be better about using more washi in different ways like that. So I had fun with that. Another thing I like to do in my spreads is I like to fill in white space with a mild liner that kind of matches the spread. I have tons of mild liners. I've gone to a lot of planner events, like conferences and stuff, and they're always giving out mild liners. So I get stocked up pretty well with mild liners. And you could get these in stores everywhere. Amazon, I'll have it linked down in the description. But I always try to find a color that will kind of coordinate, or maybe I feel like I want more of that particular color going around this spread, and just fill in areas that I didn't use, and just to make it look a little fuller. So you'll see that in all my planner spreads that I have. I use mild liner, kind of coordinating my mild liner throughout the spread just to fill in spots. Okay, so that's the first week in June. Next, I have a pretty pastel. I think this is the last week of spring, maybe? Yeah, it's the last week of spring. So I decided to use this sticker book, Squad Goals. And this is kind of it's a seasonal book. So I wanted to use the cute spring girls from this book because I realized around this time of the year that I hadn't used this book yet for any of my spring spreads. So I was like, I have to use it at least once in my planner. So that's why I used it for the last week of spring. So it's really pretty, nice pretty pastels, some layering of boxes, little scenes here and there of the girls. I love butterflies, so if I can add butterflies in with the little like flying trails, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, again, fun washi around this spread just to fill in little areas. I kind of did it a little scattered this time around too. I need to do that more actually. This is why it's good for me to look back at spreads, because then I realize things I tried and actually looks pretty good. And then of course washi, or no washi, mild liner in the spread. All right, so that was a fun last week of spring Squad Girls spread. Okay, now we're in summer. This is the first week of summer 2026. This book right here is so much fun to use because this has these really cool like sticker scrapbook paper in here that you can layer. So I really like the different patterns that are in this book and the layering that I can do. Also, there are great layered boxes. Let me see if I can find a section I haven't used. I've used this. I tend to pull this a lot, definitely for a spread for a month, because there's a section in this sticker book for each month. Okay, this one I didn't use. This was a January one. So see, there's like all these layered boxes with fun patterns and just very unique. And then of course you get all the decorative stickers. I don't love summer. Summer is my least favorite time of the year, but I absolutely love summer spreads now, coming around to summer spreads, because I really love the tropical vibes. I love the colors. It's fun. It's fun. I don't have fun during this time of year, but because I don't like being outside during the summer, but I love summer in my planner. And I love Monstera leaves. I love the tropical look. The surfboard's super cute. And again, the colors, a lot of fun. So kind of more or less the same thing that I always do. I have mild liner going around. This one I use the washi. That's another thing that's in this book. Tons of patterned washi in here. Everything coordinates in here. Also, I wanted to use the letters that are in here, the alphabet letters that are in this section. That's why I put summer 2026, because I thought that was cool just to really highlight the first summer of the year. But yeah, I really like how this spread turned out. Really fun. So if you haven't gotten your hands on this book, I highly suggest it. It's an awesome book. There's tons of stickers in here. I plan on taking these sheets here and then start using them in my journaling spreads. So I'll probably rip these out and have them in my journaling stash, so that way I can use them in some memory keeping spreads I'm doing in my journal. But this is a great book. Also, the letters, the alphabet letters, are perfect too, because I rarely use these in my planner. That's why I try to make it a point to use them in this week's spread. But I feel like I'll use these more in journaling spreads. So I might rip these out and create like a memory keeping kind of journal. I actually have a sticker book storage binder from Live Love Posh that I might do that in. Maybe I'll do that in a video. But yeah, this book, if it's available still, I will link it down in the description. All right, sorry if you can hear my washer going. I'm doing laundry, so it's kind of loud. All right. Oh yeah, this month I really was pretty good about washi, and I think July, because we're already almost at the end of July, I completely forgot that I did lots of different kinds of fun washi, and I didn't do that in July. I don't think I did, at least. But I need to do that. I really like these fun pattern ones. Like, see here, there's one washi here. This is a different washi, and this is a different washi. So 3, and this is like a chunky one. So I really need to do that more because I like that. I like the way it looks. This one was really cute. This is a Happy Planner sticker book that actually had, this book I've had it since, it's 2024, and I never used it. And it had these really cute 4th of July stickers, which I did use in July. And I love how that spread turned out. But it had these really adorable bird stickers here, which you can see here. And I love pink and green together, so this was kind of perfect. And so I got a bunch of birds going around, very summery. Again, love the color. Again, I also use a mild liner, keep wanting to call it washi mild liner, a pink mild liner around just to fill in some areas. But yeah, that is the last week of June. Okay, so that is my June section. So I'll just go over it again really quickly. So we have my currently page, the monthly, the first week, the second week, third, and fourth. All right, now I have to pick my favorite spread. So which one was my favorite? Oh my goodness. Oh no. I have, oh no, they all were kind of good. Let's see. Which one was my favorite? I don't know. I think this one was my favorite. Again, I don't like summer, but I love the tropical vibes of this. It's a lot of fun. I love that I did different things in this spread when it comes to the lettering over here and here, because I've never done that. Or I haven't done that recently. And I just like the colors. Oh, here I did use different washi. This washi is from the sticker book, but I did do the 3 different kinds of washi for this spread. I definitely need to do that more. But it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Honestly, this one, and I really do like this one because this was a special week for my family since my nephew promoted, and he's going to be going to high school now, which is crazy. And this one was a lot of fun to make. I actually really liked all these spreads. I mean, I love Squad Girls too. And then the birds. Oh no. Even the monthly was really good. But I'm going to say this one just because I think it just looks so, it just makes me happy when I look at it. Like all the colors and stuff. It's fun. Yeah, I think this was my favorite. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, we're at almost the end of July, so I'm super late posting this. But hopefully July one will go up sooner than the June one did. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I will have as many of these books that are currently available. I don't know if this one's available anymore. But as many of them that are available, I'll have them linked down in the description. And that is going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this June flip through in my planner. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'm trying to hit 70,000 subscribers this year. So help me get there if you haven't already subscribed. And yeah, that's going to be it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.